welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're here with another driving video. And you know you're on Raymore Reviews. We do all types of videos, from reviews of apartment complexes, hotels, new construction, new road, new buildings, new development, you name it, we have it. If you're new to the channel, don't be a stranger. Click that subscribe button and join the family. Remember to follow me on Instagram as well, guys. Raymore Reviews JA. So we're right here on Greendale Drive in the Valentine's Garden community, right outside of Queensbury as well. So we're gonna head on to Mullines Road, going to Kenhill Drive, and that's our community drive for today. So stay tuned. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. Alright, so right here is basically Valentine Gardens. And then we're gonna head down Mullines Road. Alright guys, so you can even start liking the video from where you are. Just click that like button. On the right is the Queensbury community. I did a more detailed video on it. I'll put that in the comment for you guys, so if you haven't seen it, you can definitely see it. So Queensbury. Woodlawn Avenue on the left. So we're now gonna leave from Mullines Road and enter onto Kenhill Drive. It's a right turn right here, and Kenhill Drive runs through the community of Pembroke Hall. So that's what we're looking at today. That's the community we're touring. So as usual, if you grew up in this community, if you have lived in this community, if you're living in this community, just let me know in the comment section. So Pembroke Hall. it and then continue on Kenil Drive. So right now we're on Colbeck Avenue. In front of us is Kenil Drive. And again to the right is their park/community center. So just circling it for you guys. So we just passed the avenue. This is Aqualita Vale, and then in front of us is the Pembroke Community Center, their main building. So they have basketball court and area for jogging and probably football as well. So we're gonna head on to Kenil Drive now. Then this road leads onto the very busy thoroughfare. The very busy thoroughfare that's Washington Boulevard. So this left turn heads into Pembroke Hall Primary, that's Potosi Avenue. I'm gonna take this right turn and show you guys some more of the community, and then we come out back on Kenil Drive. Again, guys, remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this community. Residential community. In terms of house prices, I would say prices may start around 15 mil Jamaican, going up. They don't have the biggest lots, and it's not the most upscale community, but it's still a very decent residential community nevertheless. So right now we're on Carawina Avenue. Marywood Avenue on the left. Then we have Petherton Avenue on the left. Oh, I haven't seen this in a while. Donkey Cart. I think they're selling what they're selling. Coconut jelly from the Donkey Cart. And right here is the Church of Open Bible in front of us. Let me just spin around there. I think they have a prep school over there as well. Just turn around here, then we're heading back out onto Kenhill Drive. So the prep school is Obistan Kinder Preparatory School. Back out to Kenhill Drive. We're on Angelisa Avenue, and in front of us is KFC, which is on the complex of the Boulevard Shopping Center. Alright, so this traffic is going out onto Boulevard. That's Washington Boulevard. So to the right is the Boulevard Shopping Center. Alright guys, so that's a little tour of Pembroke Hall, Kenhill Drive, and we're coming from Valentine Gardens. I'm just gonna go over by this shopping center to end the video over there. So this is the Boulevard Shopping Center. I also have a video on this complex. I'll put it in the description as well, which is a lot more detailed. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for clicking, and remember to comment, remember to like, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, would really appreciate you subscribing. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers, and your help is needed. See you on another driving video.